gravitating across the infinite probable possibilities of being and existing, we came to be characters of an unfinished script. We met across foreign dimensions where sound was noise, where sight, void from color, blurred and vague. Our bodies redacted their own narrative as eyes on eyes projected feelings otherwise not yet present, unprecedented in the reflected, mirrored, inverted. Our auras, yours and mine, pastiched and colored by the same brushstroke, now pulsate their neon brights pinks against the moonless midnight. Remembrances of untapped potential leak thought into memory, where, guided by emotion, it edits the remembered. Forsaking facts for self-designed fantasies, we are too invested to turn back. Unsung, our legend, history of a love that never was.